In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download models from RCAD. By models, I mean families in Revit for BIM projects and CAD drawings for AutoCAD. And you can also download in SketchUp format. So you can download 2D, 3D, BIM using these three, so you can use these three software. By the way, you will find this software in our channel. You will find video courses, video guides, and a lot of videos dedicated to the CAD and BIM. So let's start here. To access the website, just search for RCAD, so ARCAT, and you will find the first page here, or you can jump directly into the BIM objects library if you're interested into the BIM. And from here, you just click on CAD drawings if you want to access CAD drawings, or BIM files if you want to access the families for the Revit application. So these are the CAD drawings. Let's make an example. So if I go to openings, I'm gonna find here like doors and frames, metal doors, windows, and many. You can see here how many there are. So just click on one and you're gonna access all the details in DWG. So you can download DWG by clicking here, or PDF, and then you can use it in AutoCAD or any other application that supports this format, which is pretty diffuse and popular. So you can use this for Rhino, for example, or Cinema 4D, or Maya, or there are many out there that use this DWG, or you can also convert this into DXF using a web converter. And again, you will find guides talking about DWGs, DXF converters, and so on. If you don't know, if you need instructions, if you need help, just write in the comments, write your questions or also suggestions for other users. Just keep it on this topic. So talk about BIM and CAD or similar topics. So let's go into the Revit families or BIM files that you can use. And again, you can convert these as well using some BIM converter and use also IFC formats and things like that. But right here, we will find RFA or RVT for Revit. So Revit family format, Revit families. And then we have SketchUp files in the native SKP format. And then we have DWG for all the other software, especially AutoCAD and CAD software. Or you can see here, you can use ArchiCAD and others. So let's go down here. And again, we have a list of different types of families. So let's go for the door glass, for example. So if you click here, you can see here we find like different producers and different products. So if I say that I want this one here, I can click on this link here and it's gonna bring me to the page about this modern fold, which is gonna be like the one that produced this particular glass doors. If I click on more BIM, it's gonna open up a page of more BIM models. If I click directly on this image, it's gonna open that particular family, or let's say group of families, because we have more than one. You can see it's gonna bring you here on the same page. So we're gonna now scroll down and see what this modern fold has to offer. So you can see here we have hollow metal door, and you can scroll down more and you can see other stuff. So when you find the one that you like, you can just select the format that you want. So if you want SketchUp, you will click on SKP. So if you click there, it's going to ask you where to save it. It's not going to ask you anything else, just where to save it. So you don't need to create an account or anything. You just place it wherever you want. Now in my case, I'm going to place it in my SketchUp. And you can also use this for V-Ray, so for rendering. So if you bring it into SketchUp and then you install V-Ray, you can create beautiful renderings. And again, you will find a video course about V-Ray for SketchUp and many more in the channel. So explore, and if you don't find what you're looking for, just write to us. We will help you. And well, I'm going to create a folder here and call it RCAD, for example. Just double click there and save this. That's it. That's how easy it is to save a file. And I can do the same thing for DWG. So if I click here, it's going to open up and let me save it. Or you can see here we have Revit families for Revit and in different versions. So I'm going to click this one here, 2019. And there you go. This is a Revit family. So I can save it again in my Revit folder of the video course, and that's it. That's the RFA file down there. So it's pretty simple, pretty fast, pretty easy, everything totally free. Well, this is it for this video. It's just a simple video guide on this website. But again, check out for other videos and lessons and guides and courses in the channel. And please, if you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter. You're gonna give us just a little support, let's say a coffee. And you can just subscribe if you want to stay updated. And again, this is all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.